Hello, welcome to Kelsey-Bear's Cozy Fares. It's been a minute, it's been a little while, and I have a good reason for my absence. It's that I've been dealing with a months-long autoimmune flare, but thankfully I am feeling a little bit better and in good time because we are about to be celebrating the coming of age of a very special man in my life, my husband Nick. We love Lord of the Rings, and he is celebrating the big 3-3. He is coming of age in Hobbit years, and this man deserves to be celebrated. In this video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of birthday crafting to throw him a Hobbit-inspired party. We're going to be doing a happy birthday banner, kind of similar to the one at the beginning of Lord of the Rings for Bilbo's birthday party. As you can see, I have already sewn Nick a cape. I even got the little leaf clasp to put on it. Unfortunately, I didn't film it because I haven't been feeling well, but I am feeling better now and I'm really excited to do this banner. I'm so excited and I hope you'll join me. And I would also like to wish a very happy birthday to my love. Mabel, I'm going to need you to move because we are about to do a bit of ironing. Oh, well. Well, now we can't move. Don't fall off the ironing table, please, honey. Well, once I convince Mabel to move, then we can get started with the banner. Oh.
Making the banner itself was super easy. I had some spare muslin fabric sitting in my closet that's just been there for quite some time, so I took that out, cut out a long rectangle, pressed the edges under twice, and decided to stitch in place with a decorative stitch. I feel like I don't often use those decorative stitches available on my sewing machine, so it was really cool getting to experiment and try to do something that looks a little bit different and interesting. After the banner had been made, then came the tricky part for me because I do not consider myself an artist by any means when it comes to freehand writing or drawing in any decorative way. But I realized my original plan, which was to use my Cricut machine and do some vinyl lettering, was not going to work because the banner was huge and I definitely did not have anywhere near enough vinyl to make that happen. So I figured my best bet was to try my best using some water-soluble ink and copy as best as I can the original banner from the movie, and I'm actually kind of pleased with how it turned out. I was a little nervous that somehow I would completely ruin the whole thing, but I think it turned out pretty nice. Even though the painting was a bit outside of my comfort zone, I did enjoy it and I think it turned out all right. Now, while I'm working on the painting, if you'll indulge me, I would love to share a few fun facts and tidbits about the birthday man. Nick's favorite sport is sumo. He also really likes college football. He's a huge University of Michigan fan, and on the weekends during football season, he loves watching the games with his grandma. Nick enjoys a variety of hobbies, which ranges from video gaming to brewing kombucha. He loves coffee, cigars, collecting rocks, hiking, and cooking elaborate meals with his best friend. He's a really good cook, and thankfully I get to benefit from that. Once I finished painting the banner, I let it dry for a few hours, and then it was time for me to figure out how I was going to hang it up. I ultimately decided that I would use my eyelet tool, since I haven't used that in about a year since I made my own Polish vest. So I got that out and decided, in order to reinforce the eyelet so it wouldn't slip out, that I would use some embroidery floss to reinforce it, Plus, it just adds a bit of a visual interest.
Here.
Oh, we could do. Yeah. Do you want it up higher? What do you think?
I'm sort of on theme.
Here, you hold the sword. This is for stabbing one.
Yay, Lord of the Rings!
Can you hear